Snow wrapping up in southern New Mexico, but Byron's tracking a new storm for the new year. Hey, Byron.
Hey there, Sasha. Or Sasha. You just heard from Sasha. Shelly. Yes, you're absolutely right. And check this out. I love this photo. This is from Esmeralda in the Carlsbad area. I can't decide if it's kind of creeping me out or not. It kind of looks like the Joker almost, you know? I don't know. But it's so cool. And thank you for sharing the photo. You could definitely share your photos to our local Facebook page. And we'd love to see it here. And we might show it right here on KOAT7. Live look right now from the crest cam. You see those sunsets getting a little bit later. It's after 5 o'clock and we're still seeing a hint of sunlight out there. Winter storm wrapping up southeast New Mexico with all that snow in the Carlsbad area, which was record snowfall. And the milder temperatures will be returning before a new storm that will kick in for the new year in 2026. So those advisories, those warnings continue for far southeast New Mexico, Eddy and Lee County until 11 o'clock tonight. Not for really much additional snowfall. Still a little bit of snow coming down. Could be mixing with some sleet and freezing rain at times before it wraps up over the next few hours for Carlsbad and Artesia, Lovington and Hobbs. But that was the focus. And we talked about this yesterday, that wherever that band set up, that's where we would see that best chance of snow. Unfortunately, Ruidoso and Roswell kind of missing out. If you wanted the snow, it all stayed down to the south. And you see the temperature in Carlsbad is below freezing, with freezing in Hobbs. So watch out for the icing on the roadways for tonight as those temperatures continue to come down. Wind chills are cold too. If you're cold, your pets are cold. Make sure they're a warm spot. Temperatures in the 20s there as far as wind chills, and those wind speeds at about 10 for Roswell and 16 in Las Vegas right now. Bigger pictures. So we've got this system that's pushing out. Our next one is off the coast of California. It's going to kind of sit here and spin for a few days before it decides to kick out by about Wednesday or Thursday, and that will bring our next chance of some rain showers and high elevation snow showers. It's a warmer system, so we're not going to see as much snow from that system, it looks like, as that works in, and that would be right around New Year's Day. Albuquerque tonight, if you're stepping outside, grab a jacket, bundle up. It'll go from the 30s into the middle 20s. That's our normal low for this time of year, is 26 degrees, and that's where we'll start out on your Tuesday morning. You see those temperatures in the teens and 20s. Could be some patchy freezing fog across southeast New Mexico where you had that snow today. And then as we go through your afternoon, just some high clouds out there, but a quiet day for all parts of New Mexico. New Year's Eve day looks nice for all areas of the state with mild temperatures out there, bright skies. Clouds begin to thicken back to the west. That's as that next system works in. And then I think for New Year's Eve into New Year's Day, we'll see a chance of showers across western, central, and northern parts of New Mexico with some high elevation snow showers. But again, this is a warm system, not a whole bunch of heavy moisture from this system, but best chances would be from central into western parts of the state. Farmington, the Four Corners, Durango, Chinle, Gallup, and Grants. You got a chilly day tomorrow, quiet on Wednesday with increasing clouds, and then New Year's Day, that chance of some rain, possibly mixed with snow showers, impact weather as a result. Southwest New Mexico, Silver City, Lordsburg, Deming, TRC. Quiet the next couple days, increasing clouds late on New Year's Eve, and that chance of showers working in for New Year's Day. Into the southeast, those snow showers clearing out of Carlsbad into Lovington and Hobbs, and you'll have a quiet stretch. Those temperatures really warming up. Look at that, back to the 70s in Roswell by the day after New Year's Day on Friday. Raton, Las Vegas, northeast New Mexico. We've got a quiet stretch for you with mild temperatures on the way, some breezes for New Year's Day, but it doesn't look like a great chance of showers for you. The northern mountains of New Mexico, cold night tonight for Taos, Espanola, and Santa Fe, and then a chilly day tomorrow with mild temperatures for New Year's Eve into New Year's Day. Santa Fe, a chance of a rain or snow shower from New Year's Day into the New Year's Day night, I guess you'd call it. Bernalillo, Rio Rancho, Los Lunas, and Belen. We're looking at those chilly temperatures to start, but turning milder as we go toward that 2026 on Thursday, and a chance of some showers and breezes out there. But look at the weekend. First weekend of 2026, not bad. 60 degrees with bright skies out there.
That's exactly where my eyes went.
I know, right? To the weekend.
60.
Couldn't get here
number.
soon enough, right?
Okay, thanks,
It's going to
Byron.
be nice.